Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And this is going to be real short and sweet, and I really apologize that I didn't put it in the last video. This is going to be a game changer for him. First of all, I need to delete that. He's going to make 3 layers of it out of 1/8 inch plywood to give him 3/8 of an inch. And if you, so I made a carbon copy of that other one. I made one of them in blue. So this is the carbon copy of the first one. Okay, fits right on top. So if you would make 3 copies, and use the 2 blue ones, doesn't matter if they're what color they are, for your outer pieces, and really and truly you wouldn't have to make them all the same. You could rotate them like I'm going to do here. So I made this one red, and I'm going to rotate it 72 degrees. So here's my joint top dead center on this one. This one's over here and over here. I'm going to nudge it on top of the other one. So now my joints are in different spots, even in the hub. You could actually rotate it again, I think, but you could do this. So if this was your outer 2 copies, this could be your inner copy. This would be really, really strong. You haven't laminated, had to glue together the spikes. I hope this makes sense. And also your hub joint or offset. This is, I think he's using plywood anyway. Plywood is inherently strong. You put 3 of these together, they're not going to come apart. They're not going to break. They're not going to bend. I would put them together with some sort of indexing dowels. And I've got a video on that if you need help on that. So you've got, this is the best scenario. And I thank my mathematician for telling me about thinking about that, breaking up the hub instead of the spokes. Hope that made sense. And thank you for watching.